Hi, wanna reset your Huawei Band 9? Then you will need to press this button on the right side of your band to open the app list and here select the settings. So after that you will need to scroll to go in the system settings and here you can see this option restart, power off, disconnect and reset. So you just need to select it, and as you can see, resetting will erase all your data. So it will just bring your watch back to the factory settings. If you agree with that, you just need to confirm this step by tapping the check mark. And now the watch will restart it. So it will turn off and then turn on once more. You will see this Huawei's logo appears on the screen. And after that, you will need to choose the language for your band and set it up once more. So you will need to connect it to your phone again. And yes, here it is. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.